In this recording, I'm going to go over the quoting functions of PPC Plus, and I'm going to start with the sending of the quick quote and starting a new enrollment. So I've signed in as an agent with my unique credentials. The first page I am seeing is my dashboard, and we have the option to either start a consultation to send quotes, or we can send a quick quote. So the difference between these two routes is that starting a consultation is going to take a little bit more time, but it's a step-by-step process that's going to gather information about the beneficiary so that the system can return the most appropriate plans and a total estimated cost number for that person. So you're helping them find the right fit plan. But let's say you have a go-to plan, or maybe you've had conversations previously with your beneficiary and you know exactly which plan you want to send a quote for. That's when we would use the quick quote option. So I'm going to click on send quick quote. And what we're able to do here is send a quote via email. So the first thing we're prompted to do is type in a zip code. So this is going to filter the plans that are available to the person that I'm working with. So here we're presented with the different plans. The system can support MAPD, PDP, MA, and MedSup, and this is dependent on the carrier's offering. So let's say I have a Medicare Advantage prescription drug plan in mind, and it's the Humana Gold Plus plan. I really think this would be a great plan for Amanda, who I'm working with, so I am going to send the quote, and I'm going to send the quote over email. So what I'm prompted to do here is add the first name, the last name, the phone number, and then we have two options. What would you like to send? Would you like to send the quote and the ability for Amanda to self-enroll through her browser after she opens up this link in her email, or just an enrollment form? So maybe I had met with Amanda previously. We had gone over this Humana plan. We had talked about it. She knows all of the details. She has all of the information, and she only needs the ability to enroll herself. We can also click that option. How would we like to send this information? We're going to send it over email, and we're going to provide Amanda's email address. Then we have the option to apply any of these items to be included in the email that we send. So for instance, we have a plan document list. We have a summary of benefits for the Humana Gold Plus plan. So we are going to select that. We also have the ability to send plan rating information. We can send that in the Spanish language in addition to English, and then we have a multi-language insert as well. So we have different options that we can check off here to send along with the email. And then we have an authorization code. This authorization code is generated by the system, and it's generated randomly. So once we fill out this form, a new code is always going to be generated, and the agent has to give that code in a separate email, in person, or over the phone to their beneficiary. This is a layer of security, so that way when Amanda does open up the email and view the quote that I am sending her, only she can see it, because only she will have this code. And this is to protect her personal information that we've already entered in. So you can see that we've put in the first name, the last name, the phone number, and her email address. So we're protecting that information with this code. And now we can send the quick quote. So the information has been sent. Everything in the PPC Plus system is time-stamped. Every activity that an agent does will have a date and time next to it. So I just sent a quick quote for Humana Gold Plus plan. That is going to be time-stamped and saved to this profile history. So as an administrator, you can go in and bring up the profile, and you'd be able to see that at this date and this time, I did, in fact, send a quick quote to Amanda for this plan. So I'm going to switch over to be Amanda, the beneficiary. I am going to check my email, and I'm going to see that my agent wants to share health insurance options with me. So this is my quote. So again, you're seeing greetings, Amanda Woodman. In these emails, we're greeting the beneficiary by name because we've already entered in the name. These are dynamic emails based on the plan that has been chosen. So we're already automatically putting in the message saying, thank you for your interest in the Humana Gold Plus plan. And then we have a couple different options here. So we can click to view the quote, or we can directly enroll in the plan. And then any additional information that we sent, such as the documents that we could check off during the, we had that quick quote pop-up, such as the multi-language insert or the summary of benefits information, that can be listed right here. So we're going to click to view the quote. And this is when I'm going to need that authorization code. So it's going to take me to the direct consumer site, but I'm only going to be seeing the plan that my agent quoted me. I put in the code, and now I'm going to be able to access the site. So we're seeing the exact plan that the agent has quoted. We break down the plan information the same exact way that we would see it if we were visiting the consumer site without an agent. And we have the same view that an agent would be seeing if an agent was either on the phone or sitting side by side with this beneficiary. So the information does not change in the way that it's presented. So we break it down by cost, coverage overview, and then the benefit amounts that I would be paying. So some of the more granular information of the plan. The plan documents are here at the bottom, and we have links out to all of the options. So from here, I have the option to either save the plan to my profile, come back at a later time and do the information again, or I can go ahead and I can enroll in this plan. If I click enroll in this plan, I'm going to be taken to the enrollment form. So I'm going to see a message that says you will now be redirected to a new website to complete your enrollment in the Humana Gold Plus plan. That would take me to that appropriate enrollment form. I'm going to switch back to the agent view. And I'm going to show you what start a new enrollment would look like. So again, the use case would be that we have already talked about the plan information with Amanda, and we just want to get her enrolled. So again, we're prompted to enter in the zip code, so that way we can narrow down the plans, and we can easily find the plan that we're trying to enroll her in. We're seeing the Humana Gold Plus plan, and then we can click enroll. And you will get the same information. So we're getting that pop-up that says you will now be redirected to the carrier's form to complete the enrollment. You'd be taking that form, you'd be able to fill that out. And because we have started on this portal, my agent credentials are going to be attached to that form. So that is the easy way to skip right to an enrollment or skip right to a quote instead of going through the consultation process.